Hello and welcome. I'm Chai Hofilenya. This is your 6 p.m. wrap, a rundown of today's top stories. Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte lashes at Justice Secretary Laila De Lima. This comes after De Lima says Duterte is criminally liable for saying he is behind Davao's death squads. But Duterte says he did not mean it when he said, "Am I the death squad?" True. He says he was only challenging critics to file a case against him. Duterte also threatens to raise personal issues against De Lima. Justice Secretary Laila De Lima suggests wiretapping suspected drug traffickers to curb the illegal drug trade. But De Lima clarifies wiretapping should only be used, quote, in certain cases, limited instances, and maybe on very strict condition. This comes after De Lima was asked by lawmakers how legislation can help curb the illegal drug trade during its hearing on the case of the Filipino on death row, Mary Jane Veloso. The Philippine representative of the United Nations, or UN Refugee Agency, reveals 9 Rohingya migrants sought temporary shelter in the country in 2014. Bernard Kerblat says the Philippines hosted Rohingya migrants extracted from very dangerous situations. He adds the Rohingya stayed in the Philippines for, quote, not more than 5 months just to recover.
In this region, the Philippines is a beacon of hope because of its reiteration of its commitment to uphold asylum.
A 14-year-old Austrian schoolboy is sentenced to 8 months in jail for planning to bomb a Vienna train station. The teenager was found guilty of belonging to a terrorist organization. The charge sheet says the teenager, who emigrated from Turkey, wanted to carry out the attack before joining the holy war with the Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, or ISIS. Las Vegas police deny probing into poisoning claims on blues legend B.B. King's death. This comes after the Clark County, Nevada Coroner's Office tweets about an investigation on a possible homicide. King's daughters say he was poisoned by his business manager and personal assistant. That's your 6 p.m. wrap. Watch our updates daily at 12 noon and 6 p.m. I'm Chai Hofilenya. Remember, tomorrow begins today.